Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up an audio mixer in OBS Studio. Alright, let's dive in. First, open OBS Studio. Make sure you've created a new profile and a new scene collection. Now, select the scene where you want to configure your audio. Next, in the Sources panel, click the plus symbol icon and choose Audio Input Capture. Give it a name, something simple like microphone, and click OK. A new window will appear where you can select your preferred audio device. Choose your microphone or the input device you're using, then click OK again. And just like that, your audio input is now added to your scene. This panel is super important because it gives you a real-time visual representation of your audio levels. The meter displays three main zones. Green, safe audio levels, no distortion. Yellow, moderate levels, still acceptable but getting louder. Red, very high volume, which can cause distortion and clipping. If your audio is hitting the red zone too often, that means your sound is too loud. To fix this, simply use the slider next to your audio source to lower the volume. If you ever need to silence it completely, just click the speaker icon to mute. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more simple tech guides.